course, it's Yaeger CPA Review, but every once in a while, my mind goes off and thinks about what was it like in the past. Well, when I got out of college, I did work for two CPA firms, not at the same time, at different times. But I found out that in both firms, all right, there was ethical problems. And I said, can they do this? All right. I was very naive. I was like maybe 23 years old, if that old. Well, the first firm I went to, we had to do, they sold a product and we had to take an inventory. I didn't have to take the inventory. They took the inventory and I had to do test counts on the inventory. And when I took the test counts, I did everything I was supposed to do. I took this thing, that thing, every other one. And then when I extended all the numbers, all right, to come up with the ending inventory, all right, the senior on the job, that's what they called them back then. The senior on the job said, Phil, stop. All right, we're not going to use that number because what we're going to do is, all right, we're going to change that number to a number that makes the net income, all right, break even. And I said, can you do that? He says, well, let's just say this. We're getting $40,000, a fee, all right? And if we don't do that, then we'll lose the account, okay? All right, and here's another one. I worked for a firm on Wall Street, and they went through, I guess Bernie Menoff, I think it is, whatever his name was, that Ponzi scheme he did. I don't know if any of you really know his name, but this was a company. There was a mutual fund, and what they were doing was they were selling shares of the mutual fund, except the mutual fund did not invest the money. Okay, they just took the money, and eventually, when someone else bought shares, they took that money and put it in the person's account who we took the money from. Okay, all right, and that was probably one of the biggest first professional liability, all right, situations I saw. In fact, I remember that after that happened, the firm lost a lot of accounts, all right, and they didn't need as many accountants. Luckily, I wasn't one that was fired because I was really a low level. But what they did was the partner on the audit, all right, went to jail, all right, because it's a publicly held company. And also, all right, I don't think any of the staff involved in doing the audit, all right, was in any way, guilty of anything. But, here it is, someone coming out of school, and you learn that the key thing about public accounting is that you must adhere to a professional code of ethics. And I saw two situations within a couple of years of where that was not true. So I just want to clarify one thing here. I'm not saying that all CPA firms, public accounting firms, are unethical. I'm not saying that, all right? But there is not ethics in every company and every firm, all right? I think you'll learn that after you're in the accounting field for a period of time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little tidbit of information, all right? It came to mind, I wanted to share it with you. And remember, when it comes to studying for the CPA exam, consider Yaeger CPA Review. We're the only course that has the blueprints, all right? If you don't know what the blueprints are, all right, call me. But we have the blueprints integrated in the books. The blueprints are the tasks they're going to test you on. No other course does that. And if you want to call me, you can reach me in my office, area code 301-874-4900, extension 5. 301-874-4900, extension 5. You can generally reach me 7 days a week. I don't know of any course where the owner of the course will give you their phone number, the owner and the instructor. So anyway, have a good day, everyone. Take care, and thank you for watching.